Hello 8th standard students. We were discussing about the lesson linear equations in one variable, and we were in a worksheet 1 first question. Now coming to the 13th sum. It's a very big sum. 1 minus 2x plus 1 plus 2x, in the denominator 4x plus 1 plus x minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, first you solve this or you have to multiply. Okay, 2 bracket 1 minus 2x plus 1 plus 2x is equal to 1 bracket 4x plus 1 plus x minus 3. Now in between it is plus. That means what? The sign will be the same. 1 minus 2x plus 1 plus 2x is equal to 1 bracket 4x plus 1 plus x minus 3. Now in this, minus 2x plus 2x gets cancelled. Now 2 into 1 plus 1 will be 2. Here 1 into 4x plus x will be 5x plus 1 minus 3 will be minus 2. Yes or no? 1 minus 3 will be minus 2. Now 2 2s will be 4 and 1 into 5x minus 2. Now bring 5x this side. This one will be minus 2 minus 4. Minus 5x, when you bring this side, it will be minus, isn't it? Minus 5x is equal to minus 2 minus 4. So it will be minus 5x is equal to minus 6. X is equal to minus 6 by minus 5, that is 6 by 5. So x is equal to 6 by 5. Now verification. It is a LHS 1 minus 2x plus 1 plus 2x upon 4x plus 1 plus x minus 3. Okay, we'll put the value, the square bracket 1 minus 2 into 6 by 5 plus 1 plus 2 into 6 by 5 in the denominator 4 into 6 by 5 plus 1 plus x minus 3. X is 6 by 5 minus 3. Okay. Now this one will be 1 minus, no cancellation, 2 6 it will be 12 by 5. Okay. Here it is plus 1 plus 2 6 12 by 5 upon, now no cancellation, 4 6 24 by 5 plus 1. Now here it is 6 by 5 minus 3. So in each and everything there is a fraction. So LCM you have to take. Here it will be, it is a 5 in the denominator numerator 1 means it will be 5 as it is, and 1 means 5 by 5, that is why 5. Whatever in the denominator you have to put in the numerator. Here 12 as it is. Now it is plus. Here again 5 in the denominator, so 1 means numerator also will be 5 plus 12. In the denominator 5 is the LCM, so 24 write as it is. This one will be 1 means numerator will be 5 plus, here it is denominator 5 LCM, so 6 as it is, minus 3. 1 5s are 5, 5 3s are 15. Okay. Now here it is a denominator is 5 minus 12 plus 5 means minus 7 plus 12 plus 5 17 by 5 upon here 24 plus 5 is 29 by 5 plus minus 15 plus 6 means it will be 9 by 5. Isn't it? Now here denominator is 5, so directly minus 7 plus 17, it will be 10 by 5. Denominator here again the denominator is 5, so 29 plus 29, this is minus, sorry, 6 minus 15, so minus 9, so 29 minus 9, it will be 20 by 5. Okay. So because it is a bigger number is minus, it should be minus 9. Okay, now the reciprocal 10 by 5 into 5 goes to the numerator, 20 comes to the denominator. 5 ones are 5 ones are, 10 ones are, 10 twos are, 1 by 2. So LHS is equal to 1 by 2, RHS is equal to 1 by 2, LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Little bit bigger sum, so better take care. Okay, hope everyone understood. One thing, it was easy because the denominator, it was the same. Okay, now coming to the last sum of the first, there is a 14th sum. It is a first you have to change this. Okay, so it is x squared minus x into x plus 3 plus 2 into x plus 3 upon 7x plus 1 is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, it becomes x squared minus x into x, it is x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 2 3s are 6 upon 7x plus 1 is equal to 2 by 3. Now open the bracket, x squared minus x squared, this becomes, it is a Okay, first Euler, solve. 3x plus 2x is 5x plus 6 upon 7x plus 1 is equal to 2 by 3. So it becomes x squared minus x squared minus 5x minus 6 upon 7x plus 1 is equal to 2 by 3. The inside all the signs will be opposite. X squared minus x squared gets cancelled. Now we will get minus 5x minus 6 upon 7x plus 1 is equal to 2 by 3. अब भी हमें एक्चुअल मेथड में मिला. Now we have to cross multiply. That is a 2 bracket minus 5x minus 6, sorry 3. 3 bracket minus 5x minus 6 is equal to 2 bracket open 7x plus 1. Okay. Now plus minus minus 3 5s are 15x plus minus minus 3 6 are 18 is equal to 2 7s are 14x plus 2 1s are 2. Now it is minus 15x, bring 14 to the other side, it becomes minus 14x is equal to 2 as it is, minus 18 becomes plus 18. So now it will be minus minus, you have to add minus 4, 5 plus 4, 9, 1 plus 1, 2, 29x is equal to 18 plus 2, 20. So x is equal to, it will be 20 upon 29. But this is minus, so it becomes minus 20 by 29. Okay. 20 upon minus 29 means it is a minus 20 upon 29. Okay, now you got the answer. Now verification. LHS. The question is x squared minus x plus 2 bracket open x plus 3 upon 7x plus 1. Okay, you can put the in this also you can put, but a question is that, so we have to put in that only. It is a very lengthy sum. Okay, x square, so it is a minus 20 by 29 the whole square minus square bracket open x plus 2 minus 20 by 29 plus 2 within the bracket and again open minus 20 by 29 plus 3. Okay. Now 7x, 7 into minus 20 upon 29 plus 1. Now here it will be, you have to find out the square. So negative square, it becomes positive. So it becomes 400 upon 29 square is 841 minus, now here LCM is 29, minus 20 will be like that only. Now here it will be 29 twos are, isn't it? The denominator is 1, means you have to multiply 2 into 29. 2 9s are 18, 1, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. So this is in the numerator, this one. Again 29 minus 20 will be as it is, plus 29 3s are 3 9s are 27, 2 in hand, 3 2s are 6, 7 8, 87. Square bracket close. Now in the denominator it will be no cutting, minus 7 zeros are 0, 7 2s are 14 upon 29 or plus 1. Okay. Now it is this as it is, 400 upon 841 minus, now here how much it will be, minus plus मतलब सब्ट्रैक्ट करने का, और इधर आया 8 minus 0 8, 5 minus 2 3 upon 29, और इधर it is multiplied by sign, isn't it? Now these are different signs. Again you have to subtract. 7 minus 0 7, 8 minus 2 is 6 upon 29. In the denominator, now 29 is the LCM. Now this one will be minus 140 plus this becomes 29. Now this is 400 upon 841, already 29 square, 29 29s are, it is 841. When you multiply these two, you will get a 2546. 38 into 67, you will get 2546. Okay, now in the denominator, it will be minus plus. So it will be minus. Now 10 minus 9 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1 and 1 upon 29. Okay. Now you have to subtract, isn't it? 841 is the denominator. So subtract करने के वक्त इधर minus आएगा. 6 minus 0 6, 4 minus 0 4, 5 minus 4 1 and this 2 upon 841 divided by minus 111 upon 29. And now minus 2146 upon 841 into minus 29 upon 111. So you got a very big numbers. So it will be, it is a 111. It is a 111 into, it is a 111, 37 3s are and 37 3s are and 37, 29 1s are 29 and here it will be 29 1s are and 29 74s are and here it is a 37 3s are and 37 2s. So 29 1s are, 29 29s are, 29 1s are, 29 74s are and this is 37 2s are, 37 3s are. So you got minus minus becomes plus and 2 by 3. So LHS, RHS is also 2 by 3. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence verify. Very lengthy sums, but usually this type the verification won't be asked in the exam. So lengthy verifications are not asked. Okay. You can put the for verification, you can put at this step also. Okay. Because this we have converted into the usual pattern. So in this step, if we put the value, it will be easier. But some teachers, they will ask the direct. For the question only, we have to put the value and verify. So that for that I have done this. But usually so lengthy sums won't be asked in the exam. Okay. Don't be afraid. Okay then. Bye. Thank you.